Hello everyone, not a cooking video today. I've been really busy doing something. Sorry you can hear the washing machine in the background. But I'm going to go live tomorrow in the afternoon sometime. I'm going to do this, what I was going to do today, but I just haven't had time. Let me show you what I was going to do, what I'm going to do. Oh God!
Oh, that's hot.
It's hot, Bab.
Oh my God.
Greedy. Let me show you. Let me get them out. I'm going to do these. Oops. Monterey Jack cheese and jalapeno hot dogs from Aldi. New. £2.49 and smoky pork hot dogs. And I was going to do them as well, but we've had them for tea now tonight. That was going to be part of a video today. But I just haven't had time, so we're having them tonight. They're just caramelised onion ones. So that's what I'm going to do tomorrow live. I'm hoping to do it in the garden. Weather permitted, if not, I'll be in here. But yeah, that's all really. Just a quick one, just to say, been over video tonight. I can catch up with everybody's messages today as well. And I'm going live tomorrow afternoon. So, what are these like? Are they really good?
Nice. I like these ones. What time?
I don't know yet. It's what time I finish doing what I've got to do first. It'll be in the afternoon sometime, so I'm not sure. Maybe about 2 o'clockish, I suppose. Something like that.
Okay.
So, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Because state, we've got me. I only had my haircut, but I've had done this morning as well.
You just put mustard all in your hair. Eating that.
Mustard. Pie.
I ain't eating that off.